So next move that I'm going to be teaching is called a twist, right? Technically, we can be doing a twist before a CC because this kind of shows us how to shift our weight from left to right, okay? Almost the same exact thing as a CC, except to me personally, it's a little bit easier because all your weight is technically still on the ground. The only thing that we're doing here is we're adding this twist into it, okay? This twist motion. So this also is going to give a different look. Almost the same exact thing. It's a good example. I picked this because it's a good example of how just one little tweak of something will make a move completely different than, that will separate itself from each other. So a twist, same thing as a CC. If you haven't watched a CC yet, this is good. This is technically better to watch before you do watch a CC, okay? So we're going to start from step 3, which is crab position. And what we're going to do is we're going to start with our right leg out. Left hand is going to go into the air, okay? We're going to shift our weight over across your chest, okay, to the right side. And what we're going to do is we're going to twist our knee. We're going to bring it to the floor, okay? So we're going to take our knee and just bring it to the floor, which is going to make our leg kind of twist up, okay? It's going to give this twisting motion to it. Your right leg is going to come up. Your knee is going to go down. So all together, it's going to twist in, okay? So you're going to kind of twist in as your weight is going down. This is the twist, okay? Come back. We just switch legs. Same exact thing on the other side. Right hand up. We're going to shift our weight to the left side. We're going to bring our knee to the floor, which is going to give this twist motion. Leg comes back. Hand to the floor. Crab position, okay? Super easy to do. It looks super dope when you get comfortable with it and you can kind of mix it into everything. The rhythm of this, normally a bit of a normal pace. We're going to go out. We're going to twist in. Come back out. We're going to switch. Twist. Okay? Twist. 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 Okay? So, easy move, super dope to kind of add into your footwork. Gives yourself a little, as soon as you get a good motion with it, a good rhythm of it, you look comfortable doing it. It's super dope. I think it's one of the most underrated moves that people don't really take advantage of or learn at first because it teaches your weight distribution and also the comfortability of your legs kind of working together with each other to give certain motions in your footwork, okay? So, twist, super easy to do. If you haven't watched a CC yet, I suggest that being your next one because it's almost the same exact thing. But other than that, enjoy.